Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the syncing with iCloud is paused issue for your iPhone messages. Let's get started. So first open your settings app, then tap your Apple ID name at the top. Then here select iCloud and click messages. If the syncing is paused, it's usually because your battery is low or iPhone isn't charging. So plug your iPhone into a charger and connect it with the Wi-Fi. You can also go back to the settings and go to battery and click low power mode. Turn it off. That usually resumes syncing. And wait for a few minutes, then go back to the messages in iCloud and it should start syncing again. And that's it. Your iCloud messages should now sync properly. If this doesn't work, restart your iPhone and try again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.